Well, yeah, it's good morning, Moldova, Davia, centre of town, Chisinau. Gosh, I can't believe it. 10 years. It's been absolutely wackaday, and today I'm here in March 2024, and the place has changed. It's remarkable. I'm going to have a look at my previous photos and videos of Chisinau, this inspiring capital, to see the difference. But I can see it with my eyes, but it's something so different. This is Moldova. It's like, it's not so dreary, it's not so wild anymore. Shining in the morning sun.